To restore a DigitalOcean Managed PostgreSQL database, start by accessing the DigitalOcean control panel and navigating to the Databases section. Here you will find a list of your managed databases, including your PostgreSQL database. Click on the three dots next to your database and select Restore from Backup. Before you begin the restore process, make sure you have a backup of your database that you can restore to. DigitalOcean provides automatic backups for managed databases, and these backups are stored for a certain number of days. You can also create manual backups at any time. To restore from a backup, select the backup you want to restore to and click the Restore button. You will be prompted to confirm that you want to overwrite your current database with the data from the backup. This is a destructive process, so make sure you are restoring to the correct backup. DigitalOcean will then restore your database to the state it was in when the backup was taken. This process may take a few minutes, depending on the size of your database. Once the restore is complete, your database will be back to its previous state, and you can begin using it again. It is also possible to restore a database to a new database cluster, rather than overwriting an existing one. To do this, select the backup you want to restore to and click the Restore to New Cluster button. You will then be prompted to enter a name for your new database cluster, and select a plan and other settings. Restoring a database to a new cluster is useful if you want to test changes to your database without affecting your live database. It is also a good way to create a copy of your database for development or testing purposes. In addition to restoring from backups, DigitalOcean also provides the ability to create a fork of a database. A fork is a copy of a database that is taken at a point in time, and can be used to create a new database that is based on the original. To create a fork, select the database you want to fork and click the Fork button. Forking a database is similar to restoring a database to a new cluster, but it allows you to create a copy of your database at a specific point in time. This can be useful if you want to test changes to your database, or if you want to create a copy of your database for development or testing purposes. Overall, restoring a DigitalOcean managed PostgreSQL database is a straightforward process that can be completed in just a few steps. By following these steps, you can easily restore your database to a previous state, or create a copy of your database for development or testing purposes.